So our mission is to build brand confidence in men and women around the globe. And we do that through our smart beauty tools. We want to use these tools to make you feel confident in your skin, feel confident without makeup or with makeup, however you want to live your life. We want to help you achieve that confidence.
Watching this is so, isn't it fun?
It vibrates with 7,000 vibrations per minute to vibrate out the dirt and oil within your pores. So it essentially eliminates blackheads and then deep cleans your skin. So your skin is kind of essentially just raw.
Right.
And it's just going to soak up all this collagen.
Oh my
It feels
goodness.
really dry.
Yeah. So that's all your skin.